Hey guys, this is Colby Dissinger, and my presentation is Title IX, a Ripple Effect in Athletics. As a physical educator and someone who has a personal connection to Title IX, I thought this was an appropriate topic. So what is Title IX? Well, in 1972, there was a law passed that said that no person in the United States shall, on the basis of sex, gender, be excluded from participation in, denied the benefits of, or be subjected to discrimination under any education program or activity, sports, receiving federal and financial assistance. So who benefited the most from this? Well, it was the females. In 1972, thanks to the increasing funds, you saw a huge increase in women playing college sports, 545% increase. In high school sports, 990% increase for the women participating. That is amazing, and that is a great reason to have Title IX right there. So again, who benefits? It's the females. Before Title IX, what it looked like was 1 out of 27 females were actively participating in athletics. After Title IX and today, 2 out of 5 females are participating in athletics. Now, there's the other side of the coin. Who loses? Well, unfortunately, there were men's sports programs that were cut because of Title IX and balancing of budgets. Title IX and the balancing of budgets led to many cuts in many different sports, such as baseball, soccer, tennis, and swimming. In 2001 alone, the University of Kansas, right down the street, cut the men's swimming and tennis program. Now, this is where it became personal for me. In 2001, I was a junior at Blue Valley North High School, and I was a swimmer who had expectations to swim at a Division I school. My brother, who was a University of Kansas swimmer, motivated me to look at the University of Kansas. That's where I was planning on swimming. After the men's program was cut, I had to now scrap that plan and move to a different school, and I ended up swimming at Indiana University. The reason the University of Kansas cut the men's swim program was to balance out scholarships and budget reasons. That was a direct impact of Title IX ruling. Since we're on the topic of swimming, since 1994, over 34 schools have cut their men's swim program. And that's just swimming. I'm not talking about baseball, soccer, tennis. There are other programs that got cut, and I believe wrestling, that got cut due to Title IX and having to balance the budget and make sure that women and men are spending the same amount of money across the field. So in conclusion, what do I think about Title IX? I think that Title IX has done a lot of amazing things for the females. I think that getting them more involved and giving them equal rights to participate in sports is a phenomenal thing. Unfortunately, I don't think it should always come at a cost of another sports program such as like swimming at the University of Kansas. So I think it's a great law, but I do think that there has been some negative sides to it, and I feel that people should know that just because it increased female participation, it also led to significant cuts elsewhere. Thanks for listening.